Get pink blocks in Block Blast. How to get pink blocks in Block Blast is easy and simple. Now open the game and keep replay until you got all the blocks in the same color. So for example, if you got all the blocks in the same color for like in the color red. Now as you can see, all blocks are in the same color. So for example, if this, you need to get it in the red color. Now keep doing that until you get all the blocks in the red color. Now after that, just quit the game. Now after you got all the blocks in the same color, for this example in red, now just screen the record and keep playing for like 10 seconds. Now after that, save the video and now open it in CapCut. So after you open it in CapCut, just tap on adjust. Now after that, tap on this option called HSL. And after that, keep adjusting this to get all the blocks in the pink color. So as you can see, that this option isn't not available in the game inside. So any video that you see in social media is fake. The only way is by doing it in CapCut by editing. So this is how to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.